Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now in this video I am going to be showing you that how can you basically work with the blog. Okay, what is a blog? Why is it necessary for a website to have? You can see that this is our simple basic website. Okay, this is our introductory website. We have our home and this is the content. We have our about us page and this is our about content. Okay, and then we have the contact us page. Okay, so now you know how to create page. Okay, that's all. You haven't learned anything about WordPress. You just know how to create pages. Okay, and that's all. That's all. This is our simple basic website. Okay, so page creation is very easy, guys. Everyone can do it. The main part is the design. The main part is the understanding. The main part is the functionality. The main part is everything. Okay, so don't just go ahead, just leave this course and just be like, okay, I know the WordPress. So don't be like that, because there are so many customizations that you do not even know that they are possible. Okay, so just stick to this course to not miss any video. Okay, so in here we're gonna be talking about the blog, that what is blog and why is it necessary for a website to have. So it depends that whether you want to add the blog functionality to your website or not, but I want to explain you, and I am telling you to please guys listen to this because this is very important. Let's just go ahead and let's take an example from the websites. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I am gonna open the apple.com. Okay, this is the iPhone company, that is Apple. And now here you can see that it says Mac, iPad, iPhone, watch, TV, music support, and everything. Okay, this is the Apple website. Okay, and if I just go to the down section, you can see it says newsroom. Okay, here you can see it says newsroom. If I just open it up, you can see it says press release, and this says Apple Store kicks and everything. So here they just add a lot of posts about their company, that what is happening in their company, and the iMac is released and something like that. So you can see this is the category of the press release, and this is as the category of the feature, and you can see how Apple and this are transforming the future of the Texas town. Okay, we have this and this and this, and so there are so many things. We have this category as the updates, like Apple reveals 2007's most popular apps and music and more. Let's suppose that I like this post, and I just open this up in a new tab to see like how this post works. Okay, you can see everything is here. It says the update, it says the post, that when it was published, and we have the Apple released this. We have this whole post coming. Okay, he has also added the video in here and everything about this post coming. You can see that there are different things that you can add to your website, so don't be like that you know everything. Okay, you just know how to create a page, and you can see how great it is looking. So this is how it is looking. This is basically called the Apple newsroom. Okay, so some of the websites do have this, like it says the Amazon Prime Video arrives on Apple TV over and everything, and there are so many. If I just go down and it says view more, if I just click here, you can see it loads more posts. Okay, you can see we have two here, like Apple G partner to bring predicts industrial apps to iOS. Okay, so they just blog about their company. They just blog about like we are releasing this, and like the future is here, iPhone 10. Okay, so if I just open it up, and this post was hit. Okay, this post had so many views, guys. Like when Apple just posted this, it just went viral. Everyone was like, okay, what is the iPhone 10? How does it work? And what is it? And this, and this. So this had so many views. I don't know they have added the number of views into here, but it had so many views. Okay, so we have taken the example from here. Let's just add it to be like Android. Okay, not the Android, but let's just target a big company called Microsoft. Android users, please don't tell me that Android is not a big company. Okay, I'm not just telling you that, but Microsoft's blog. So here you can see it says blogs.microsoft.com. If I just open it up, and then let's see how does they have the blog. So you can see that they have this blog. You can see they have the first post. This is the post that is a featured post. We go down, we have this post, and you can see that it was posted on this, and they just tell about their company, that how their company is growing and everything. And we have this, and if I just click view more, it's gonna view me the more, and you can see it says more news, and we have the pagination right here. So if I just go to the page 3, you can see that we have more news here. So let's suppose that I just like this one. Okay, I just open this up and I see, okay, they have a blog post here, and let's open this up. Okay, you can see that they have the whole about this, that how the celebration was in the Atlantic and everything. So this was posted by this corporate vice president, Microsoft Cloud. If I just open it, this blog author, like who is the blog author, this, and you can see it's gonna show the posts that were posted by this guy. So let's suppose that I want to search about some incident that happened in the Microsoft, like update or a thief. So let's suppose that an incident happened and a thief just got arrested. So I'm just gonna be searching for thieves. So let's see how many they have for thieves. So you can see we have 3 results for thieves. So let's suppose that this is the update about that, how the Walking Dead creator showcases spyware of Internet Explorer 10. And so now you can see that it had the word thief of thieves. That is why it just grabbed that thief keyword from here, and it gave me here. So this is how the blog works, guys, because blogs are so important for websites, and WordPress thinks of every website. Okay, like you must not need the blog. Okay, you must be like, okay, I just need the home, about, contact us. I want to learn designing part. Why are you telling this blog? But please understand this, guys, because in future you might need it. Okay, so there's nothing you can say. So let's just go ahead and let's just work with the blog of our website. Okay, let's just see how can we add posts to our website and how can we just work with it. So I'm gonna go to my dashboard right now quickly. Okay, this is my dashboard. Here I am logged in. Okay, and I am gonna close this, and let's just go ahead to our dashboard. So for post, when we want to add a post to our website, okay, how we add that. So let's suppose that I want to add a new post. Okay, like an incident happened at iTunesEL.com, like a thief got arrested. So it says a thief got arrested by the CEO. Okay, CEO is the CBI. Okay, so here I'm just gonna add this, copy this, and so let's suppose that this is my content, which is here. Okay, and I'm gonna paste it. So let's just add it here. Press Ctrl V, and you can see that this is right here. And here I'm gonna be adding the image of the thief, that who was the thief basically. So I'm gonna go to the add media. Okay, and I am gonna go to the select files, and in here I'm gonna go to desktop, and I want to go to the thief, that how does the thief look. So let's suppose the thief look was like this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just open this up, and this is the image of the thief. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit insert into post. That's all. Okay, so this will be added here. I can just click here, I can resize it, that how much size I want here, and I can do pretty well anything with this. So I know it is not working, but we will understand it later on, that why it is not working. Okay, so let's just go ahead and let's just publish this, because you can see that this is how the post is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna publish this right now, and let's open this up. Okay, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit view post. So this is how my post is looking. You can see that it says Tanzil Rahman. We have just another WordPress website. We have these pages, and then we have like January 12 by Tanzil. Okay, so you can see it is exactly same. If I just go ahead and I just open up the window, you can see it says the date and the author of the post, that who posted this. So this is exactly same, guys. You can see it was posted on this, and it was posted by Tanzil. A thief got arrested by the CEO, and here is all the details about that incident. And the people can reply here as well, guys. Like we can manage the commenting, guys. Okay, so do not worry about this. We will understand this about this. Okay, so now you can see how the people can just go ahead, they can just add their blog post. Okay, and everything is coming. So you can see that it says recent post, and we have this is the sidebar that comes to all the blog posts. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about this later on, but let's just look at this. You can see a thief got arrested by the CEO, hello world, and these were the recent posts that were added. So this is the post that was added by WordPress. If I just go to my dashboard, and then I go to the post, and then I go to all post, you can see we have hello world, and we have this, a thief arrested by the CEO. So you can see this is the post that we have just made, and it has no comments right here, so it just displays that it has no comments, but it has. If I just go ahead and I just open up this post, then you can see this is also a post that was created by WordPress, and it says a WordPress commenter. It was on January, and it says, hi, this is a comment. To get started with moderating, editing, and deleted, please visit the comment screen in the dashboard. Comment avatars comes from Cravatar. So you can see how it is looking, and we have this next post coming here as well. A thief got arrested by the CEO. So anyone can just click here, and you'll be redirected to the second post, which is this. So now in the next video, I'm going to be showing you that how can you create a page that basically displays all your latest news. Like you can see that Apple had a page created. Okay, if you just go to like apple.com. Okay, if you just go to there, you can see that we go down, and we have this newsroom right here. So Apple created this newsroom page that to show all the recent posts that it had. So like if anyone wants to just go ahead and they want to know about this Apple, you can just go to that specific page, and it's going to show all the posts. So how are we going to create that? So in the next video, I'll be showing you that. So stay tuned, guys. Now you guys know how to basically work with the post. Okay, in the upcoming videos, I'm also going to show you how can you categorize post, how can you work with these links that you, if you want to remove these dates, because I don't like this. Okay, and I would highly recommend you to remove these dates. Okay, how you can do that and how everything is done. But we'll be doing gradually. So in the next video, I'll show you that how can you create a page and that displays all your posts. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.